Hello and welcome. My name is Chelsea Janak-Agley. I am the Literacy Coordinator with Oceanside Public Library. I'm really excited that you're here to learn with me as I show you about a project that many of us have been working on called California COVID Diaries. And this ties into a campaign of the California State Library to collect the many and varied experiences of COVID-19 and the quarantine that a lot of us have been experiencing. So we have developed some resources that we hope will be helpful as you engage with your tutors and learners during distance learning. And if you are a tutor or a learner watching this, I want to say thank you and let you know how impressed I am at your dedication to keep transforming the way that you are learning. So you will receive the website through an email, and I have put this website in my browser, which is called California COVID Diaries. And I will say that it should take you between 15 and 30 minutes in order to respond if you are sitting down and wanting to finish it in one session. There are two ways that you can respond, either by uploading a document and leaving a comment, and that document can be, as it says here, a Word document, PDF, or a picture. That, however, does require that you use a Google email account, a Gmail account. If you do not have a Gmail account or do not have something to upload, there are 4 options down below. We have the blank slate where you can type in anything you want, and then 3 guided reflections with slightly varied questions intended to prompt a discussion and a reflection on your experience. We also have a link to a public resource folder. As you saw, I clicked download writing templates here, and it opened a Google Drive folder. And all you do is choose the item that you'd like to download. If you have not used Google before, you right click and click download. I'm actually going to do the 6-word story right here. And it downloads onto my computer. And then I'm going to open it up. So there you are. I'm using a Mac, so my word processor may look very different than if you're on a PC, but it works all the same. I'm going to type in, I'm going to use my initials today. And the city that I live in. I represent Oceanside, California. And my library is Oceanside Public Library. So on each of these different pages, there are some examples and ways that you can teach how to complete this poem. This video is not intended for that, so I'm going to just copy one. I'm showing you how to use the portal. So there's my story. I'm going to save. I'm actually going to change the name as well and choose to save to my desktop. So I've completed the activity. This could take you 10, 15 minutes. Really spend some time thinking about it. You can respond with as many as you'd like. Okay, and I'm going to click this big button that says upload here. That's going to open up a new form. And that form is indicating that I am currently logged into a Gmail account. If you're not logged in, it will prompt you to please sign in. Once you move through, you fill it out as you feel comfortable. I'm going to use my initials right now as a sample. And what I would really encourage is that you give us as much information as you're comfortable. It helps us to create the most complete record, but only what you're comfortable sharing. This is my work phone number. And I'm going to click next. Now this is where I'm going to upload the items. So you may actually upload up to 5 items. I'm going to choose to upload, select file from my device, on my desktop, 6-word story, and upload. I can also leave a comment. This is my story. And click next. This final page is the permissions surrounding the work that you're submitting. I strongly encourage that you read those and fully understand what you are agreeing to. And we'll click submit. And there you have it. You have uploaded your first reflection. We then receive all the information you shared as well as the upload. And that is very helpful for us to create our literacy anthology. I'm going to bring us back to the main page and show how you would use one of the reflections where you fill in the blank. I'm going to open Reflections on 2020. Now remember, you do not need an email to respond to these. And these are actually a cool option. You could do this over the phone with your learner, and it could prompt some really cool conversation. Or you could screen share over a web conference. Making sure I fill in the information. If you don't fill out what is required, then it will not allow you to advance. So then as we see, these are the 4 questions that we've provided for this reflection on 2020. Each response can be up to 250 words. Please feel free to be as candid as you'd like. It's very insightful to learn about all of you. At the moment, I'm not going to fill it out. And then again, these are the permissions. Please ensure that you know what you're agreeing to and that you feel comfortable with that. And there you have it. If you realize that you wanted to submit or say something else, you can actually click Edit Your Response, and it will bring you right back through what you had previously filled out. And you're allowed to make some edits. So I'm going to say, I am now working from home, for example. And then next, my same selections, and submit. So there you have it. That's how you can use this California COVID Diaries Library Literacy Experience website to facilitate distance learning, as well as participate in a very cool statewide program or statewide project to collect your experiences. We wish you the best, and I hope that you and your families are well and safe and healthy in this time. Please send any questions to either your literacy coordinator, or you can email coviddiariesclls@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we really look forward to your participation.